Okay, first comparison will be between BSUN Brown housing with the clear top that it comes with compared to the BSUN Brown housing with a Yock red top. And we'll see how they sound. So I think we have a slightly different top out note, as you might expect, since the tops are different material. So the switch on the left is the regular BSUN housing with the clear top that it comes with. So I think the Yock top had a slightly more favorable top out sound. I suppose it's a matter of opinion. So next, I want to see how they compare between the BSUN Brown housing with Yock top and the BSUN Brown, not BSUN Brown, but the GSUS housing. So this next one will be BSUN Brown housing with Yock top compared to GSUS housing. So this time around, the one on the left was the BSUN Brown housing with the yuck top, and the one on the right was the GSUS housing. All of these recordings are being done with Kailh burgundy stems, which have the longer center post similar to halo stems, which affects the bottom out note and feel. In terms of smoothness, I don't think I can feel a difference between the BSUN Brown lower and the GSUS lower housing. I don't think I can feel a difference, but I already lubed both of these switches, so that might make it harder to tell the difference. So I also can't really feel a difference in smoothness between the clear BSUN Brown top and the yuck top. So the point of this exercise is I want to be able to use my BSUN Brown housings for something, and they aren't as good at amplifying tactility as the GSUS housings, the yuck housings, and the panda housings. However, I think the sound signature is very similar for the bottom housing compared to these panda and panda clone switches. So I plan to use the BSUN Brown housings with linear stems, with these Kailh burgundy stems, to get a kind of similar bottom out note to what you would get with holy pandas, but in a linear stem so that the decreased tactility is kind of a non-issue.